All right, guys. So today I'll be analyzing and showing us some analysis for EurUsd, Great Britain USD, BTC, and Usdcad. Already based on our last video uploaded based on analysis, we actually went through Great Britain USD, and I showed us the background on how we can actually analyze the market using time trading system. And having that at the back of our mind and understanding that the market is coming from this past, going down to the future, and we are actually looking at where it is currently trading. Now, based on Usdcad, we know that Usdcad is actually going downwards from this particular level. But the only problem is this: we already have an AB, we never have a C for a bullish move. We already have a C for a bullish move. That is what I'm saying. For example, this is what I'm talking about. We have the A around this point. We have the A around this point. There's the A. Now this is the B. So there is no C yet. We actually need something like this for us to continue the bearish movement. Now, having known this, the next thing we want to look out for is we want to streamline price to the current market region. And how do we do that? I just love using the trend line. I apply my trend line knowing where the market is coming from. Then I apply my trend line also here. I want to know that the market has been trending bearish for the past 1 month. But if you notice something, we have a reaction around this point. We are actually looking for the main time frame right now, and price closes this way at the end of the week. And on Monday bar, we have this. On Monday, we have this. This is the Monday bar here, this particular bullish bar. So what are we actually looking for? We are looking for whatness. So very simple. If you come down to 1 hour, if you come down to the 1 hour time frame, you will notice this. This is what happened to the market. You will notice this, that the market has actually done. Let me take away the volume. That the market has actually done something like this. We have this. This is our level A. Around this point, level A. Level A around this point. And we have our level B around somewhere here. Level A around this point. Level B around somewhere here. And this is the daily time frame, okay? This is level B. Now, why did I make use of this place as my level A? If you look at it, we have this particular week lower than this one. This one is lower than this one. Then we have these ones that are here actually lower than this one, so or equal. So this is the double bottom. So this is actually our A point, our B point. Now, since we have the B point, we're actually looking for C at the 4 hour time frame. But price did a runoff. A runoff in the sense that it went straight ahead without even giving us a C formation. It has not given us a C formation yet. So what we're actually looking for is this. This is what we are looking for. The scenarios we are actually looking for is this. These are the scenarios we are looking for. First of all, we need to wait for price to form a bearish candle. We want to see a bearish candle formed around this point. So wherever price closes around the bearish candle in the 4 hour time frame, is going to give us a bullish move continuation, maybe up to this point. And that is what we are going to do. And when we do that, we are going to strictly follow the 1 hour market structure video for our trailing of profit or the trend. And that is scenario 1. Don't forget, we want to see a bullish candle around this point and a break above the bearish, a bearish candle around this point and a break around the bearish candle for market to go back up to this point. Now, the second thing we want to see. Now, take note that in as much as market keeps going bullish without forming a bearish candle, the market is not yet ripe for a buy until we see a bearish candle to form the what? The cost creation. Don't forget to form the cost creation and a position bar forming the cost creation, so that price can go back from it. They will have a target the top. Now, that is the first scenario. Now, the second scenario is this. Price might refuse to form C, and from this point, we might come down to the 30 minutes to 4-hour time frame zone around this point, and the market will give us what? Something like this. The market gives us something like this. Like this. The market forms this. Okay, let me annotate it. The market forms this. The market might decide to form this. At the end of the 30 minutes, A, B, in 4 hours, then do this, C. And what happened? The market keeps trending, following the what? The 30 minutes time frame market structure. Till we get back to this particular entry point, 133.022, or the price does something like this anywhere above here and keep on going and still break above this point. What we actually want to see is this. We want to see, so in a summary, what we want to see is this. We want to see price. We come back to the 4 hours. We want to see price doing this. We want to see price forming an opposition bar here. Forming an opposition bar here. Like a bearish bar. And after forming this bar, we want to see price breaking out, like form the bar to form the range, then price coming back here, breaking from this point as a bullish candle, then we have the move back up. That is the first scenario. Then the second scenario is just this. We want to see price do something like this on the 30 minutes time frame. A, B, sorry, you have to do a break in market section like this. The price continues, but this is going to happen in a 30 minutes market structure. So this is what we are going to do today. This is our plan. This is what we are waiting for. And that is for USD. Now, the second thing we want to look out for now is let's go down to EurUsd. Now, this is EurUsd. Remember this EurUsd from this point. We already know that EurUsd is bullish. We already did that. We know that. But what are we looking for? We are looking for a retracement to continue the bearish move, overall general trend. But at the same time, this is the price is currently at a late time frame. Now we need to see a close below the daily moving average. Are you seeing this? We need to see this in order for price to continue the bearish move. And in the case where we don't have it, that means we need to see it in the 4-hour time frame rather, with the weekly, in order for us to do what? Start dropping. But that is not our concern. Our major concern right now is what price is currently doing. And in that way, we are going to come down to the 1-hour time frame. We're looking at the 1-hour time frame. EurUsd is still yet to break the what? To break the 1-hour time frame market structure, which is this point. This is it. We are still looking to break it. Now we have the break here, okay? We have a break here, this point, but at the end of it, so this is an A. So we are looking for a close below this particular point. Assuming the market closes below this point yesterday, would have been better, but no, we did not have the close. What we did have was just this price closing up slightly above the A level. and the next day bar did what? Closes below it. So what we are actually looking at, our area of focus, system with the Usdcad, is what? We still need one more day to confirm. We still need one more day to confirm EurUsd sell for AB. Yeah, one more day for A and B. We still need one more day. So we will not be looking at the general trend or selling into this for now. For instance, what we'll be looking at, if we want to sell into this, is to follow the time frame that is from here, and that is the what? The 30 minutes market structure. That is what is actually pushing this price. The 30 minutes to, sorry, the 15 minutes to 1 hour market structure. That is what is actually holding this trend. But that is not what we want to look at. What we want to look at for is what we are to do today. What we are to look at for today. So in coming down here, we have to come back to this point. We have to come back to this point. We have to come back to this point. This is the point. We want to look at what started, because we're actually, based on our analysis from the scenario, we're actually looking for a 4-hour break here, but we did not have it. So what we added was 15 minutes to 1 hour. So what is actually controlling this is the what? Is the 15 minutes time frame market structure. The 15 minutes time frame market structure. We have it here, come down to 1 hour, okay? Then 30 minutes, this is where it closes. Then we have the 30 minutes candle. Okay, there was no even 30 minutes candle. This is even the 30 minutes candle here. 30 minutes candle, and this is where we have the close below the 30 minutes candle. So for now, the 15 minutes is the one controlling this pair. So what we actually need is, we need more bearish side. We need more bearish side. But in order for us to now go bullish, we actually need to see a 15 minutes close. We actually need to see a 15-minute close above this point. Remember, this is our level. So what we're actually looking for, our market structure level, what we're actually looking for is this. Either we get a 15 minutes, sorry. Either we have this, a break, continuation, for price to go back to the top. Or we keep on seeing what? Price following the what? The 15 minutes time frame market structure according to 1 hour, then doing what? Then dropping. So this is what we are actually looking for EurUsd. This is what we are looking for EurUsd. Because price is still currently trending within this range. Within this range. And in order for us to trade this range, we need to see a breakout from the 15 minutes time frame, a BMS, from the 15 minutes time frame today. We need to see a breakout from this point today, and price does what? Keep going back up, or price respects this particular moving up, this particular 15 minutes trend. And that is, if we are to enter from this 30 minutes close, our end top loss we have to be around here in order to give this thing a breathing space, and it is so wide. That is close to like 66 pips, so it's too wide. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. So it is better for us to just wait for a better confirmation for this bearish side, because the market, it is still in the bullish region as far as the BMS has not occurred. So the market is still in the bullish region as far as BMS has not occurred from the daily to 1 hour. We only have the 15 minutes BMS controlling the market. So that is what we advise to do. So instead of taking this trade, it's better we focus on Usdcad and actually better also to wait for the weekly close and see if we can have a break in the 4 hours. And that is for Great Britain USD. The next thing we have to look out for is Great Britain. Sorry, that is for EurUsd. We want to look at Great Britain USD. Great Britain USD also, we need to see a close. We need to see a close below this particular point. This is our market structure region. Our market structure region. Although we have a close here, we do have a close there, but we want to see a daily close. We want to see a daily close below this region. Final, in order for us to assume that we want to take this trade. in order to us to assume that we are taking this trade. That is it. Now, except we want to make use of this smaller bus and to trade inside the internal structure. This is the internal structure from this point. From this point, this range level to this range level. These are the internal structures. So if you want to trade the internal structures, we have to look for the leading time frame from this particular current market region. And that's how you see the market is just what? The market is just is ranging. So in order for us to trade the internal market structure, we can come here and look for our A. This is our A region. Yes, this is our A region at the close of the daily. Do we have it? No, even till now we still don't have it. Are you seeing it? Because this particular bar, yesterday bar, did not even close below the last low. For instance, we have a close below the market structure. So to me, Gbpusd is a pair we are not to even look at for now. We are not to look at it for now. The next thing we want to look at is gold. Gold. I love what gold is doing, but we need more clarity in the sense that we actually need to see a close below the daily moving average here. The daily moving average here at the end of the month. If we can have the close below this point at the end of the month, and the month is going to end today, then it's going to be a good signal for gold. It's going to be a good signal for gold. That gold is likely to drop. Gold is likely to drop for the next 1 month. But for now, we are still looking at it because price might decide to do something like this, bounce back up, you understand? Then drop finally. That is what price might decide to do. But when we have a close below here, at the end of the month, that is A and a B for now. So we are still even going to look for C, and which the market can still do something like this and keep going back up, then drop. So for now, we just have to watch gold and see what it's doing. We have to just watch gold and see what it's doing. Because at it now, it's standing at the daily moving average, the daily market structure region. And in order for us to trade it, we have to follow strictly the market structure of the lower time frame, the internal structure. And that is, I believe it is 1 hour. 1 hour from this particular term, 1 hour. And then this was, because actually this 4 hours that was holding price. This particular power region was the level holding price. And of which we now have we do have a close below this particular region that was holding price for this 1 hour. So for now, 1 hour time frame is controlling the daily market, the gold market, 1 hour time frame market structure at this point. So the market structure of 1 hour time frame is what is controlling the gold market. These areas, this market structure area, we have a drop. We have this, okay, this part, another market structure region here. Yeah, so what we are actually looking at now, the ultimate area, what we want to see price breaks out from is this point. So we want to see price do something like this in order for us to have a bearish move. This is A, and we want to see, and this is a break here, A close above B. So this is what we want to see for gold. But since we might not have it. So we just want to wait and see what the market is going to give us, because gold also is not even clear. We just have to wait for the end of the month. This is today. BTCUSD, the same thing happens to BTCUSD. BTCUSD, I actually love the way BTC closed this way. I love the way this is a strong bearish presence at the top. They are trying to round up the market, accumulating for a sell. But in their accumulation, we still need to have a close below this particular region at the end of the day and at the end of the month for us to decide on what's next is going to happen to BTCUSD. So with this particular 5 analysis, the pair we have to look out for is Usdcad and EurUsd. These are clear. They are clear for now. Usdcad and EurUsd. These are pairs we have to actually look out for. So thank you. You can go on your own and follow the video I uploaded last and make your own analysis for gold and for Gbpusd and for BTC and for EurUsd. You can make your own analysis so I'll be able to understand the flow of the market. Thank you.